finished product now.
The finished product. No, that is sticky.
It's okay.
You make it slime?
Yeah.
Okay. Mag-sticky na kaming slime dito sa YouTube.
Kaya mag-English bacon.
Pero konti lang, as in ganito lang ka-konti, kaya namin i-English.
Ooh.
That's why it's so finished.
This one's the sugar. Oh, this is finished, right?
Uy, nababasa mo yung camera. Camera ko.
Slime?
Yep. That's so sticky.
No.
Sticky.
No.
Sticky.
It's the activator.
Eh,
Haluin mo muna.
ano haluin? We mix them. We mix talaga.
This is just a top.
Okay. The activator's color pink. And this slime.
Activator.
And this slime is color blue. So, ano? Hirap kasi mag-vlog eh.
Mag-comment kayo, hulaan nyo kung anong color to. Kung light blue ba to or blue, light. So, naghalo-halo yung blue, light, and blue. Okay guys ha.
Anong color? Hindi, light blue yan guys ah. And then actually guys, this is my first video on YouTube. And kasama ko tong pinsan ko na to.
Yeah.
Pinsan ko yan.
Ooh.
Uy!
Okay. No, I got like.
Why?
No.
Okay, I cut. If you finish, okay. Hello guys. Nanonood lang muna ako ngayon. Teka lang. Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? That's your tummy. Wow. Okay. Bye-bye. Guys, subscribe nyo tong main channel namin. Okay, bye-bye. Bye, please.